Hello Internet, you're welcome to NNW Academy, where you explore your mind with exceptional knowledge. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel, make sure that you leave a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to deliver a logo just in 3 minutes. Not just 3 minutes, you will deliver a good logo with 3 samples to your clients and they'll be satisfied. So without any waste of time, let's jump right in and start creating. So right now, I'm inside my computer here. So right now, I've opened up my browser. You can use any browser of your choice. So I'm using Microsoft Edge, which is a good browser. So here on the address bar, I'm going to make sure that I type in this URL, but don't bother about it. You'll just check down in the description and then you'll see the URL. Make sure that you click there to go to the website. So first of all, go ahead and then type in freepik.com. I already typed in that later on while I was preparing this video. So now on the search bar here, I want that you should go ahead and then type in this. Just type in but before you start creating a logo, your clients will definitely ask you, what I want a logo for my organization. Let's take for instance for an NGO. So now I'll go ahead and then type in NGO charity logo. Take enter. So now you actually search this. Now you have several samples. So here on the website I have several samples, but if you see this icon, there's an icon with a crown. It shows that all of those things are premium. On this side, they actually offer premium logos and free logos. And not only logos, they offer several assets. For instance, flyers, brochures, and all the rest. But now I'm timing myself, so we are doing this in 3 minutes. So I'll go ahead and then type. As I've typed in, I'll go down and then select one of these. Let's say, for instance, I have something like this, colorful charity. I'll go ahead and click this, but I'm going to look for the one that is having several samples. So let's say we have this. So now charity logo emblems. So I'll click on that. Then I'll go ahead and then download. Now on this side, when you're about to start downloading, you have both premium and then free. But now we're going for the free version. I'll click on free. Now I'll wait for this to download. So now don't bother, we even have a coupon code. So now on this side you need to sign up. So I already signed up, so I'll go ahead and then just log in. Signing up is free, so I'll log in with my Google. So that is quite easy, it's better that way. So I'll go ahead and then just sign in. I'm going to fast forward this. So right now I'm signing in into Freepik. So now I've signed in. If you check up here, you'll see my account. So this is my account. So I'll go ahead and then click on the download button, then click on free download. So I'll wait for this to download. So when it's done downloading, you go ahead and then you open up your software. While mine is downloading, I'll open up this is it at the bottom. I'll open up Adobe Illustrator. Like I told you, we're using Adobe Illustrator. I have Adobe Illustrator 2020, but this can work on any version of Adobe. So I'll go ahead and then click on Illustrator. But you can check on my browser, the logo is downloading. I'll press Ctrl J to get to my downloads folder. So this is my download folder. You see how it's downloading? Okay, it's done. So I'll click on show in the folder. But my Illustrator is already open up. So right here, I'll go ahead and then open this. Say charity logo emblems. I'll double click, open it, and then extract this to my desktop. So I've extracted it. So I'll go to my file, take file. Now I'm right now inside Adobe Illustrator. I'll go to file, take open. So when I take open, I'll go to my desktop. So inside the desktop, I have these 2 files. I have the actual file, just the preview, and then I have this EPS file. So I'll go ahead and then click on the EPS file, take open. So now I have all of this. You notice something, when I click on it, it gives me most of the layers. So I'll go ahead and then just click, and then right click on group. Now it's good that you ungroup because you can separate all of this, like what I'm doing right now. So you can separate all of them. So you see, I'm separating, but it doesn't actually matter. So let's take, for instance, we have this. The charity is already good. So let's say I want to give this to my client. I'll right click on group, but I want to color this a little bit. Just this part here. I have my logo. I have this with all of these hearts. Let's say I want to change this color. Go ahead, go to window, then go down to swatches. Now under my swatches, now I actually have where I can actually change my logo, my colors. So right now we're going to click over here and then load more swatches. Now I'm going to load more swatches. Let's say color of books. Let's just load any type of swatches. Okay, right now I have these Pantone colors, so I'll go ahead, click here, go to my eyedropper tool, and then just, but before I do that, I'll make sure that I click on this shape and then go to my eyedropper tool, then select any of these colors. So now that's actually good. I love pink. This is for ladies. So I'll click on eye, then click on this. Okay, guys, sorry, let's do this way. I'll click on this and then it says choose with the blue, so that we shouldn't waste time. Actually, you know that we're doing this in 3, so I think that's better. But you can go ahead and then select all of this and then change it up, but you get the point. So now that is it. So I'll go to my text tool. Let's say we have NNW charity. It can be anything. It can be anything. So right now we're going to just go ahead, change the color. So we have this. So you can just select most of this. When I'm done with one, I can just right click, group it back. Then I have more of these. So let's take, for instance, we have something like this. Bring it in, right click, and then ungroup again. Then just remove the name. I don't need it. Then here you can click on this, right click, ungroup again, so that you can have access to edit all of this. So right click again, ungroup, then I have access to edit this. Let's say I just click on this, click on this, then click on this one. I want to just turn everything to blue. Yeah, I think that's a little bit better. Then I'll go ahead, click, type in NNW charity. So you can go ahead and then do that. So hold my shift key and then adjust that to the bottom. Go ahead, select a nice font. I think if you are in this software now, you're already used to all of this. So I think this is good. So I've delivered 2 right now. I don't like this, but you get the point. So I'll take like one of these again. This one is nice, so I'll right click again, ungroup, then click on this. But right now, sorry for the delay, but this tutorial is already done. You can go ahead and then just allow it the way it is right now, but I just want to deliver the 3 like I promised. Okay, you can see it's easy to change the logos. I just click on one, then go ahead, change the colors. But right now I need to ungroup this. Okay, I think this is better. White. Yes, isn't this amazing? But you can do more. If you don't want to use this text give love, you can go ahead and delete it and then feed in yours. So now we've delivered this logo in 3 minutes. So like this video, share with your friends, and make sure that you stay tuned to this channel because more videos will be coming up.